What's up mga kagala? Welcome back sa aking vlog. For this video mga kagala, long rides po kami ulit. Punta po kami ulit ng Longnong Bay. Tama, Longnong Bay po ulit ang aming biyahe ngayon. Dahil nakaraan, masyadong maalon yung dagat. Sana sa panahon ito, ay malinaw na yung dagat. Dahil hindi po namin alam kung anong buwan po ang tamang merong linaw ng dagat. So tara, let's go mga kagala. Sama kayo sa aming biyahe. Let's go! Sa biyahe namin ngayon, ay anim lang po kami.
So, tatlo sa
Wala po kami mga angkas ngayon.
at isa sa likod.
Yung mga kasama namin dating angkas namin,
No.
ay ayaw nang sumama. Dahil nakakapagod daw. Sobrang layo ng biyahe. So ako,
Dito kami doon sa kabila.
si Alvin, si Mer, si Glenard, at si Bunny. At ang isa namin, yung papahuli lang. Susunod lang.
Gasolina? Gas. Gas. Nakapagas na ako kahapon eh. Dali. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Papagas lang, papagas. Nakapagpagas na ako kahapon eh. So sakto mga kagala yung gamit natin ngayon, sariling motor na natin dahil nakabili na tayo.
Nice.
Sa wakas, thank you Lord sa blessing to mga kagala dahil alam nyo na-extend 2 years more.
Sana all.
So rin tanong mo, ha? Nag-ano pa lang? Nagkakarga pa lang? Nagkakarga pa daw yung ano, wala pa. Mga ma-ibay. Hi vlog. Bunny, Leonard, Mer, ang si John Alvin. Ano na po natin.
give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
I
next
don't
to
give
me.
a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Ay, lamig talaga. Walang jacket eh.
Ano eh, dapat sa baba tayo eh.
Ha? Dapat dun sa baba eh.
Sino nung nakaraan eh.
Di ba ganun din nakaraan?
Ako noon yung nauna nun. Ayun tayo.
Kaya pala nare-reklamo yung map na U-turn.
Susol putis din naman lahat na. Tawag ka lang dumaan sa kar. Sa daanan ng big bike tsaka sasakyan.
Oo, huwag ka lang kamali doon.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta
I
struggle
don't
through
give
the
a fuck what
sewers.
you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Ay, nakalusot din. Sakto lang yung alis natin, oh. Nakalusot tayo doon, walang ano masyado. Nakaraan, dami. Anong oras na tayo umalis? Oo. Nice, ano na kami mga kagala. Diretso na kami. Nakatagot na kami ng highway. Ay, paano ko lang pala kami? New Taipei ko lang. New Taipei. Welcome to New Taipei.
feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Kaya pa.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines.
3 hours later. few moments later.
Para rin yung mga kagala. Saan kayo? Nagdagat? Nagdagat, kilong pa. Nagdagat sa kilong. Ganun pa. It's good to be back mga kagala. Nakabalik din. Ganda-ganda ng dagat. Kunti lang ang alon, hindi ganun kaalon mga kagala oh. Ba't kaya laging maalon dito banda? Kaya nga ako. Kaya nga ako na. Kilo na ulit. May dalawa kaming nakasama.
Pinap ka na daw.
Sino yun?
Pitikan kita.
Ito.
One, two, three. One, two, three.
Nice. Yun! Ay. Oh. Grabe. Ang layo agad yan ng rating niya. Hindi na kailangan magrenta mga gara. Nakadali na. Sarili. Hindi yung sarili tagal-tagal. Pero kasi mag-desisyon naman pa ngayon na nakabili ulit. Hindi ulit. Doon pa kami gagala sa dati. Kasi maalon dati kaya ngayon nag-try kami bumalik. Balik kami sa ano, parang hindi naman gaano kaalon eh. Kunti lang. Sold ang day off. Ha? Doon. Doon. Layo pa. Layo pa yan. 4km pa, 4km. 4km. Minutes na lang. Doon sa bilihan ng ano, sa bilihan ng ay sa rintahan ng sapatos. Renta na kayo ng sapatos. Di pwedeng nakapa doon eh. May ano, May, hindi ko alam kung saan sa Tagalog yung sisi. Yo, let's go.
A few inches later.
Nakarating din sa wakas.
Hello, what's up mga kagala? Nakabalik din kami dito sa Kilong Longdong Bay. Yan, nakabalik din kami mga kagala. Pasal-pasal din.
Nakalaya rin.
Kalaya din. Puro trabaho. Dalawa na to. Itong dalawa na to. Wala na. Puro trabaho. Sayang yung motor. Puro trabaho lang ginawa. Gala-gala din. Yan.
Hindi kayo tagapagmana ng company. Ano ang mga edit na kuya?
Oh, kita nyo? Yan.
Hey!
Ano, tara na.
Tara. Punta na tayo doon.
Para makapag ano na tayo ng tent. Tayo natin. Wala pa nga eh. Susunod din yan.
Nasa biyahe pa yun.
Oh, eh. Wala pa. Mahuli siya eh. Tara, tara, tara. Pili ka magrinda sapatos. Yan. 60. Snorkel. At jacket. Natuloy din. Ulan yan, oh. Ulan dyan. Oh. Tirik na tirik yung araw. Ah.
20 minutes later.
You like a lonely man without me, you're not like everyone. That's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. Oh, you know you're in love when you come for the sea, because we are the peace in the better than trees. You like a lonely man without
10 seconds later.
Di mo lang napansin. Malalim yan. Kala mo mababaw yan, malalim yan. Ay, malinaw eh. Wala. Hindi ka kumuha ng ano? Light base.
Kala ko, kalma eh. Nakakatakot pa rin, lakas pa rin ako.
Hindi, sakto lang. Wala, tinalo ka.
Ayun, sombrero! Woo! Yung sombrero, tapos yung sunscreen.
Yung sunscreen mo.
Ayan, sunscreen!
Ayun!
Nagsama ako ng aso eh. Hindi ka naman basta makakakit sa batuan, boy. Kaya nga.
Lakas pa rin ngayon. Pero hindi gaano. Hindi kayo nakaraan. Nahampas tayo eh. Lugi ka no? Pero hindi masyado, hindi kagaya nakaraan. Hindi pa malinaw talaga yung malinaw. Ano kayong buwan ng pinakamalinaw? April siguro.
Tiga dong.
Ay, mas maluwang nga po.